first school, we were taught you hold the foot here and you look down the cannon bone straight like this, and then you want a T square. You want this to be exactly T squared from here to here. However, I mean, that's kind of the easy way of trying to get people to learn how to look. But what we're actually looking for is where the junction between the hoof wall and the frog merge together. Once you've identified that, we can draw a straight line across that. There's going to be a dimple right at the back of the central sulcus here, and we'll look down that, and we will check the frog plane, the plane of the frog, to the plane of the sole, and that will be their true balance. And there's not a ton here, so we will do some marking. It does indicate you stop right at the bar swells. There's 2 bar swells here. 1 inch and 3/4 is the tip of the coffin bone. Here, this is where they're naturally going to break over. Naturally, we get 1/4 inch here for hoof wall, so we can then take from the dimple,
Bella,
from the dimple to the widest part of the foot, double that, and it's right where the mark is to trim the foot.
Cool.
So I mean, right there, see that?
Yep.
Do you see how this is bending out this way?
Yep.
Here's the hoof wall, here's the sole.
Okay.
So oftentimes on an upright foot like that, the toe is tended to be left long because it looks right, but it's not right, and we have to be a little bit more. We got to put a little bit more focus into getting this foot balanced correctly.
Thanks, Bella.
From a toe to heel aspect is how straight she is here in the quarters. That's very, very common with a club style foot, is they're going to be very, very straight in the quarters, which is a challenge. It can be a challenge to shape a good shoe to get it to fit just right, but we're not going to have a problem today.
Cool.
Coming in hot. We're all close here. I'm gonna tuck this in every direction.
Okay.
So they're not fighting breaking over like a rim right here. All of this, the internal structure has to put more force to break this over, where this just flops.
Okay. Cool.
Very products, which are the best pads you can get. There you go, kiddo. Looks really good. Oh, poor horse. Yes.
So abused.
Oh, that we're set up.
Okay.
But there's enough here when it's under the shoe to offer more support on the underside or the bottom side or solar surface of the foot. So we use that to help feed this whole outfit.
Okay.
If you're not putting a sole support of some sort into the shoe, then you're not doing the best you can for the horse.
Yeah. Well, they're not going to get the circulation.
Oh shit, we got that spot too, don't we?
Oh, her abscess.
Yeah. I'm gonna treat it.
Okay. Do you want thrush buster or something?
I got some.
I have some right here if you want.
If you want. Do you see how this heel is running under? It's curving under. We have to fit this shoe full directly down from the coronary band
Okay.
to allow, like, all the expansion in the foot takes place,
Okay,
heel back.
that makes sense.
So we have to encourage this to come out this way.
Gotcha.
So that's why we left it here, and we're safe with that because that's the outside.
Outside.
If we were inside, we have to
To clip it.
yeah.
Right.